Do you want to filter your data quickly, easily, and without any complicated drop-down menus? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Slicer in Excel, one of the most powerful tools for interactive data analysis and the best alternative of filters. So let's get started. Here we have a data set on which we are going to apply the slicer, but the first thing that we need to have a data in form of a table to apply slicer. So what we need to do, we need to change this data set into a table. So we can use shortcut key Control plus T to change this data set into a table. Once we use shortcut key Control plus T, we will have this window create table. We need to make sure that our full data set is selected already. As our dataset has headers, so my table has headers is checked already, we will go for OK, and instantly our dataset has been converted into a table. So now to insert slicer, we need to go to insert tab. In insert tab, we can go to slicer. We need to click on slicer, and here we have insert slicers window. Now we need to see that what actually we want to filter. Let's say we want to filter based on product. Let's say we also want filter based on salesperson. So we will check product, we will check salesperson, we will go for OK, and you will see we have two slicers here. So now you can simply filter clicking on any button. For example, let's say we want to filter, okay, we want to see how many sales we have for camera. We can simply click on camera and we have all the sales of camera. Let's say we want to see camera plus headphones. We need to click here to make sure that we are able to make multiple selections. We will click here. Now we are able to select multiple items. So camera plus headphones we want to see. So now we have result for all the camera and headphone sales. Similarly, let's say we want to see for any specific person, we can click on any specific person, that any specific person, salesperson has done how many sales. If we want to select maybe more than one, we can again click here. We can maybe select any number of persons as we want. If we want to remove this filter, we simply click here. We simply click here and filter will be removed. Let's say we want to add one more slicer. We want to see the sales based on the region. What we can do, we again need to click on this table. We need to go to insert tab, click on slicer. Insert slicer window will appear. As we said, we want to see sales or we want to filter based on the region. We click on the region field, we will go for OK, and instantly we have slicer for region as well. Now any region we want to filter, we can click on that region. If we want to filter more than one region, we need to click here. Then we can select as many regions as we want. In case we want to remove this filter, simply click here and the filter has been removed. So that's it. See how easy it is to insert the slicer and to use the slicer to filter our data easily and quickly. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.